This mechanic's got this clever gizmo. It's a clamp. Puts the can in there.
I haven't used this one in a long time. I hope it's okay. So.
He clamps it on there, and it punches a hole in the side of the can and lets the Freon flow. Now he's going to bleed the air out. Turn the valve on. So it's not pushing air into the system that's been vacuumed.
Okay, let's go ahead and start it. Turn the air on.
Put some coolant in it. Start it up. Turn the air on. AC.
See, the low pressure switch got the compressor on now.
Yeah.
It gets enough pressure in there to stay running.
It should stay on. See, that's got a magnetic clutch on there. And that switch over there on the dryer turns that on and off. Regulates the pressure. So as the pressure builds up with Freon, that clutch should stay on for longer. It won't stay on all the time. It should reach a certain point, shut off, and then when it needs, it'll turn itself back on. It's going to kick on and off sooner because it's low on Freon right now. There's the gauges. You know how to read them for temperature outside and all that. I don't. That's why I brought it to you.
When we stop thinking about it, I really only charged $30 to put the compressor and the dryer on, and it was probably worth $30 for me to do it, and you not have to fool with it, you know?
I would like to have done it. I've never done it before, and I'm certainly capable of it.
Oh, yeah.
But
now you have the...
I wouldn't have them fancy pliers to pull them sensors out. I'll close the valve and take that can out. Now we're going to hang on to that can because there's a $10 core charge on it in California.
Let's see if we can get the right adapter for this can.
Leave the air out. And he's shaking the can to circulate that coolant in there.
Now the compressor's staying on for a longer period of time.
Yeah, like you just said, now the compressor's staying on. After a little bit, when it reaches its proper operation, it'll switch off.
Keep cold inside.
Let's see if it's getting cold inside. Oh yes. It's cool. Not cold, but cool. Might take a couple minutes here.
You got the temperature all the way down, right?
Yeah, it's on high.
I mean, the temperature's all the way to cold too, right?
Yes. Let me double check. Let's put it on max AC. I had it on regular AC. I put it on max. Temperature's all the way down.
Yeah, just like on and off.
Well, I accidentally turned it off.
The pressure's right, wherever it should be.
Pressure's where it should be, huh?
Yeah, it should be between 40 and 45 pounds on the low side, and between 200 and 250 on the high side. They can go up much higher on the high side.
Okay.
On a real hot day.
Yeah.
I think it's about higher than it should be. Okay, let me begin to this can.
That can's empty, so we'll turn the valves off.
See how it's doing.
Now this here, in this box, I didn't get a chance to show you that earlier, but there's a vacuum pump in here. A vacuum pump connects to the system that sucks all the air moisture out. And these manifold gauges tell you what your pressure is on your high side, your low side. Just jumped up to 70. Coming down to 40. And special note is that this manifold gauge and this vacuum pump I got at AutoZone on their loaner program. So I think it was $150 for the pump and $130 for the gauges as a deposit. I get to take the parts, use them, take it back, and they'll give me my $150 back and my $130 back. And essentially, I get to use the tools for free. Now, if I don't return the tools, they keep my money, and now I now own a vacuum pump and a set of manifold gauges. But I will go back, get my deposit money back on those two items, and I got my AC working. I paid $200 for the pump, and it was $20 or $30 for the dryer. I call it pump, it's actually a compressor. But this is certainly with a few hand tools, rent what you need, and you could do this job yourself and have nice cool AC. And I'll tell you, it has been hot and muggy here in California. You can do it.